Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a clothing haul for you guys. A kurti set का एक haul है and 9 to 5 worker हो, office जाते हो या फिर even for college, these are very good cotton kurti sets that I purchased from Myntra. Let's begin with the video. So the first set is this kurti set. ये मैंने medium size में लिया and it's a very good breathable cotton material and lightweight है काफ़ी. इसका print मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and it's very simple and that's what I liked about this. And it's from this brand Ananya and I really love the color, the print of this kurti set. ऐसा ही इसके bottoms में भी बन रखा है. All over the bottom there is this beautiful print और इसका color भी बहुत pretty है, as you can see. इसका bottom बहुत ज़्यादा pretty है, बहुत comfortable है. मैं ये काफ़ी बार पहन चुकी हूँ, ऑफिस जा चुकी हूँ and वैसे भी regularly अगर आप कहीं और भी जाते हैं इसको डाल के आप जा सकते हैं क्योंकि ये बहुत comfortable है and it's really cheap. And I got this for rupees somewhere around 7.99 or 8.99 and this is a steal deal for me. Next set that I have is this beautiful printed set from this Anubhuti brand and देखो इतना प्यारा print है and it has this detailing in the middle and also on the sides of the sleeves. जो इसके silver details है ना, इसके साथ आप कोई भी silver jewelry pair कर सकते हो because of these minute details and ये बहुत ही प्यारा summery सा kurti set है. It has pockets as well which is great and again this is something that you can wear to your office. ये इसका bottom है और ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा. What I like about these kind of kurti sets that comes with really nice bottoms that goes well. You don't have to take a headache of again going and buying something that matches your kurti. का जो material है ये भी cotton में है. I think most of my purchases are cotton and breathable materials क्योंकि गर्मियाँ आ रही हैं and you don't want कि आपके जो कपड़े हैं उनमें sweat marks आए. So this kurti set again it is under 1000 rupees. So this is something that I have worn once or twice to office and it's really comfortable. So the next kurti set is this. I know this is a little different. ये थोड़ा भड़कीला सा कलर है, थोड़ा लाउड कलर है. इसका जो प्रिंट है वो बहुत ही प्रिटी है, बहुत ही प्यारा सा प्रिंट है and it's very simple no doubt but you can also wear this if you are newlywed and you want something to wear to office as well as it should be comfortable, right? So ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक option आ जाता है. This is a very soft cotton material. This is from the brand Gerua and ये मैंने small size में लिया है and it fits me perfectly and this is the bottom that comes with it. It has pockets and it has a beautiful nice print on it और उसमें गोल्ड का भी एक डिटेल दे रखा है जो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. इसके साथ ये पैर बहुत ही ब्राइट है no doubt but because it is very simple it is wearable. So guys अब जो मैं आपको कुर्तीज़ दिखा रही हूँ इसमें पैंट्स नहीं है. These are just simple kurtas or kurtis you can say. So the next one is this kurta and look at the print. इसको देख के मुझे इतना comfort feel हो रहा है. The color and the print is beautiful. It is simple no doubt but it has a very good summery feel to it and it is very soft cotton material. It's breathable. That's the best part. I ये medium size में लिया and it is a full length kurti and it has no bottoms along with it but मैं आपको suggest करूँगी कि आप ये white plazos के साथ पहन सकते हो या फिर you can also wear it with jeans. It'll go really well with skinny jeans. So this is one option for that. This is really nice. Next kurti that I have is this beautiful purple color का ये kurti है and it has white flower print on it. Really nice. The thing with simple kurtis is that you can style them and dress them up. So guys, the next kurti that I have is this one. It's a little different. I've worn it a couple of times and it is from Anok and it has a beautiful embroidery all over the kurti and इसके बीच में भी एक डिज़ाइन है maroon and gold में as well as on the sleeves. So ये बहुत ही प्यारा सा कुर्ती that you can also wear it in office. कभी कभी ethnic day हो जाता है, ऑफिस में कुछ themes रहती हैं, तो you can always have this option ready for you. Again, I got it at a very discounted price, guys. So you can always opt for kurtis like these that are cotton as well as it is not boring at all. मैंने ये दिवाली में भी पहना था और बहुत compliments मिले थे मुझे. बहुत ही प्यारा इसका जो embroidery है all over the kurti. And इसका जो color combination है ना guys, I absolutely love it. You can wear it with maroon pants, maroon bottoms, या तो you can also wear it with jeans. तो it's a really nice piece that I got. Again, ये मैंने small size में purchase किया है guys. Anok brand का है ये. You might be knowing Anok. Anok is quite popular brand. So मेरे पास 2-3 और कुर्तीज़ हैं जो sleeveless है. Obviously मैं ऑफिस में तो नहीं पहनती हूँ, but then these are really nice. So the kurti that I was talking about is this. This is a really nice full length kurti and इसका जो print है बहुत ही pretty है. And you know guys, this is a very popular kurti and मैंने बहुत लोगों को इसको पहनते हुए देखा है. जो neck है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है and then the length is as well मेरे लिए बहुत perfect है. I am quite tall, so ये मेरे लिए इतना length है and I always wear this with either jeans या तो मैं white plazos के साथ ही pair करती हूँ. और ये कुर्ती भी मुझे काफ़ी डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस में मिल गया था. सो दैट्स अ स्टील. द नेक्स्ट कुर्ती एंड दिस इज़ द लास्ट कुर्ती आई प्रॉमिस. सो द नेक्स्ट कुर्ती इज़ अगेन फ्रॉम अनोक एंड इट इज़ अ स्लीवलेस पीस. वाइट प्लाजोज के साथ इसको पहन सकते हो या तो यू कैन ऑल्सो वेयर इट विद जीन्स. इसका प्रिंट मुझे बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. अगेन दिस इज़ अ फुल लेंथ कुर्ती एंड इसका मटीरियल बहुत ही सॉफ्ट एंड कॉटन में है. So you can always have this option. So this is the kurti that I got and this is the end of the haul. So guys, let me know if you liked any of these pieces. I hope आपको ये Myntra haul अच्छा लगा and you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you next time.